Weeks, many of you have been asking us where those cases are located in the state, and we've been trying to get answers. Tonight, we know a lot more about where the virus is located and if there are any particular hotspots, thanks to new zip code data from the state. And that new data reveals a lot about testing and who is most at risk. Team 12's Michael Dowden joins us with the latest.
Yeah, the new data shows that urban areas and zip codes near reservations as the hardest hit, along with older men.
We are all part of this response. Every viewer that's watching this knows that they're part of this emergency response.
And we're learning more about how we are handling the coronavirus outbreak with new data showing where and who are getting infected.
Well, now you go to the website and you can see, to be honest, it looks pretty widely spread.
That's former DHS Director Will Humble. He says the zip code map shows almost the entire valley having widespread cases, but that's not all the data shows. According to the Arizona Department of Health Services, the age group with the largest number of cases is ages 20 to 44. However, those over 65 account for almost 70% of all deaths in Arizona, and most of those who die are men.
This virus goes after people with pre-existing conditions like hypertension, which is high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes. And some of those things are more common in males.
Although women have been more likely to be diagnosed with coronavirus in Arizona, almost 2/3 of all deaths here have been men. Now, this data can be sobering, but there is good news.
What we're doing, this social distancing, it's working. You can see it in the data.
Take hospital beds and ventilators. Numbers show right now that Arizona has enough to make sure patients get the care they need. And if national models are right, we could stay that way, as long as Arizona continues good social distancing practices.
It's not magic, it's you at home that's doing this work.
This data is not perfect. We know that there have been issues with folks being able to get tests, and also when it comes to the race and ethnicity of those that have been tested, well, most of them are listed as unknown. We're in Phoenix. Michael Dowden, 12 News.